Very good. So you all are well prepared to begin with our today's classes? All set? Great. So before beginning our today's classes, who is going to tell me today's day? So which day is today? Today is Tuesday. Yes, you all can see that here. So today is Tuesday. And what is the date today? 18th August 2020. So today is 18th. 8 means what does this 8 means here? 8th month of the year. And what is that? August 2020. And the day is Tuesday. Isn't it? Okay. So which period is this? On Tuesday, our first period is of which subject? Maths. Yes. So what we are doing in maths, what we have done till now? Can anyone tell me what we have done in our previous class? जो हमारी previous class थी, उसमें हमने क्या finish किया था? We had a class on Friday. So what we did on Friday? We have completed our number names. Yes. So you all have learned that? Have you all learned it or not? So many of you have shared your work. When the work which I gave you, that you have to recite all these number names and make a small video and share with me, but still I can see few students have not done. So after attending today's classes, just complete this work of your number name video and don't forget to share with me. Okay? Done class? Great. So now let's begin with our today's work. Today ma'am is going to tell you about positions. You remember we have already done this center, middle, side. आपको याद है हमने किया था side, center, middle. Then we have also done big and small. Lot of comparisons we have learned. Size के ऊपर हमने comparison किया. Then we have learned to compare the things on their height, on their weight, on the basis of their length. Then on the basis of their positions. In front of, behind. So what is the meaning of in front of? In front, ma'am is standing in front of the board. That means board के आगे खड़ी है ma'am. If I say ma'am, the board is behind ma'am. So what is the meaning of behind? पीछे. Very good. So you remember that. Then we also did one concept of side, center and between. याद है आपको, जिसमें मैम ने बोला था put a dot on the right side of the box, one dot in the middle of the given box and one dot in the center of the two boxes. You remember that? So today we are going to do something similar to that same concept. हमने जो side, center, between वाला किया था, today we are going to do a concept little bit similar to that concept only. And what we are going to learn today is left, middle and right. Left, middle and right. Okay. So first of all tell me, you all have two hands? Yes, we all have two hands. So if I say raise your right hand. So which is your right hand class? Many of us do our writing with right hand only. So we can also say the hand with which we write. So this is my right hand. So now this is the other way also. What I can say, because you are sitting like this, so this is the right hand. Clear? If I am standing similarly as you are sitting and watching this video, so this is your right hand, isn't it? So right side, जो हमारा right hand होता है, the right hand, उस side में हम क्या बोलेंगे? Right side. Clear? So which is my right side? This is my right side. Now if I say left side, so which is my left side class? This is my left side. Clear? The hand in which I am wearing my watch is my left hand. So this is my left side and this one is my right side. But if I am standing like this and I am facing to you, ma'am आपको देख रहे हैं, तो अब क्या होगा? मैम का लेफ्ट साइड यहाँ हो जाएगा और राइट साइड यहाँ हो जाएगा. Clear? So you need to understand your left and right carefully. So now what we are going to do, I I'm going to draw here 3 boxes of different color, or we can say 3 shapes. ठीक है, हम shapes लेते हैं because you all are familiar with shapes now. So let us take an example of shapes here. Clear? So first I am drawing a triangle. So this is one triangle. Clear? Then I am drawing a circle. So this is a circle shape, and I am drawing a square here. So this is one square. So these are the 3 shapes we have. One is triangle, then we have circle, and then we have a square shape. Clear? Now what you have to tell me? If I am standing like this as you are watching this video, tell me which shape is on the right side of the circle. Which shape? I am repeating my question, or rather I am writing my question. The question says which shape is on the right side of the circle. So the very first thing is, सबसे पहले हमें क्या देखना है? Circle shape. So this is our circle shape. Now when I am facing this circle shape, please be very careful when I am teaching you, because these sides they make a lot of confusion sometimes. Okay? So now when I am looking at this, मैम इसको face कर रहे हैं, मैम ने इसकी तरफ face किया. Now tell me right side. हमें कौन सी side पता करनी है? Right side. So first of all tell me which is your right side. This is my right side, isn't it? Now we have to tell on the right side of the circle. So which shape is on the right side of the circle? We have a square shape. Yes. So what we are going to write here? The answer is square. The answer is square shape. So you understood what I want to tell you? Right and left. Now if I change this question and I say which shape is on the left side. Now if I write left side of the square, again I am changing the name of the shape also, of the square. So we have a square shape on this side. So now it is being asked which shape is on the left side. So first of all see which is your left side. This is our left side class, this one, isn't it? All of you see which is your left side, this one or this one? This is my left side. So now left side of the square. So this is square and the left side. So which shape we have? We have circle shape. So what we are going to write the answer? The answer will be circle. Understood all? Now if we talk about middle. So you have learned about left and right now. Left and right means left side of your left hand side or right hand side. Clear? तो आप जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट देख रहे हो, अब जैसे मैम ने आपकी तरफ फेस किया. Now if I say which is on the left side of the circle? Square. Which is on the right side of the circle? Triangle. So it completely depends on us that how we are observing this object or observing the things given to us. Now the next thing comes is middle. Middle का मतलब क्या होता है? One in the center. That means बीच वाला. So if I ask you which shape is in the middle? Now I am not writing. I am just asking you to observe these 3 shapes. ठीक है? So just observe these 3 given shapes. आप इन तीनों shapes को देखो, observe करो and tell me which shape is in the middle? So which shape is in the middle? Middle मतलब बीच में, क्योंकि हमने सर्कल का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है, सर्कल का राइट हैंड साइड है. But then who is in the middle? Circle. So the middle shape is circle shape. Circle is in the middle. Is that clear to you? Now if I ask you, if I give you an example like, draw. Just listen to me carefully. Okay, I'll write. Draw a car on the left side of the triangle. So what is the statement? Draw a car. अब हमें क्या बनानी है? First we have to draw a car. कार बनानी है. So we came to know that we have to draw a car on the left side of the triangle. So first we have to take this triangle shape. Now let us connect it with that concept of side center between. मैम ने आपको जब साइड के बारे में बताया था, I told you to paste a cat on the right side of the box, on the left side of the box. You remember that? So similarly, now what question says? Draw a car on the left side of the triangle. So this is the triangle we have here. अब आपको इसी triangle का left side देखना है. So this is one triangle we have. Now left side. So which is your left side? This is the left side or this one is the left side? So this is my left side. What I'll do? I'll draw a car here. Like this. So I have drawn a car on the left side of the triangle. Is that clear to all? Now if I interchange the shapes here and I draw a, if not shapes, what we can take is, yes, I draw a tree. ठीक है, one is a tree, then I draw some balloons here. And if I draw a boat. So we have three things now. Can you tell me who is in the middle? Who is in the middle? Okay, I'll erase this. So can you tell me who is in the middle? Balloons, tree or boat? Three things are given to you. Who is in the middle? Middle मतलब बीच में. So who is in the middle? Tree is in the middle. Yes. So you have understood the meaning of middle now. Middle means दो चीजों के बीच में. Clear that? अब if I give you an example from somewhere near to your surroundings, like if your books are kept, ठीक है, book shelf में at your home you keep your books in a bookshelf. You keep them. So how you keep? इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मैथ्स, साइंस, ईवीएस, आप इस तरह से रखते हो सारी बुक्स को. और यू आर, इफ यू से दैट यू हैव केप्ट सम बुक्स हियर ऑन द टेबल. सो टुडे आई एम हैविंग these two books because these are your subjects for today. So can you tell me which book is in my right hand? So which book is in my right hand? Where is my right hand right now? As I told you, if I see like this, this is my right hand. So which book is in my right hand? EVS book. And which book is in my left hand? Maths book. So right side or left side is how you are looking at the objects. Now if I am standing like this and I am facing the board, मैम अगर board को देख रही हैं, so I have board on my right side. So this is my right side. ये मेरा right side हो गया. And I have balloon on my left side. So this is my left side. Is that clear class? What is right side? जो हमारे right hand side पे होता है. What is left side? जो left hand side पे होता है. And the middle one is जो दो चीजों के बीच में होता है. So whenever we say nose, nose is in the middle, है ना? Right eye and left eye. हमारी दो eyes हैं. Right ear, left ear. But nose is in the middle. We have only one nose and that is in the middle, isn't it? But we have two eyes, so we say right eye or left eye, right ear or left ear, right hand, left hand. Then we have right leg or left leg. ऐसे होते हैं ना? But nose is in the middle. So in the middle, middle means center में, right means right hand side and left means left hand side. Understood all? Okay, now moving towards our today's work in the book. So in book, please open page number 108. Sorry, 110, not 8. So I'll just write book page number 110. So this is your classwork class. And when you will open this book, you will find some shapes are given. So your maths book on page number 110. So when you will open it, you will find the topic left, middle and right. And some questions are given where you have to circle the shapes as the given directions. So complete this work as your classwork. Clear? So what is your homework? I'll just tell you how to do your homework also. See, and after that complete. Clear? So now everyone, please open your number book 2. And in this book, you have to open page number 110. Clear? So open page number 110 in your number book. And on that page, you will find the concept left, middle and right. This is what we have done today. So we are going to do this work in our book also. But first, we are going to write today's date. What is the date today? 18th August 2020. And this is your classwork. So you are going to write classwork here. Clear everyone? Now, you have to read the question and do accordingly. First, it says is color the shape to the right of the circle. So first we have to see right circle shape. See? So this is square, circle and triangle. So this is the circle shape. Now right side. So which is your right side? The one in which I am having my pencil. So we have these two hands. So this is my right hand. So now this side. That means triangle is to be colored here. So what I'll do? I'll take this blue pencil color and I'll color this triangle now. So you have to color that shape which is on the right side of the circle. यही बोला है ना क्वेश्चन ने, कलर द शेप टू द राइट ऑफ द सर्कल. तो जो सर्कल के राइट साइड में शेप बनी हुई है, वी हैव टू कलर दैट शेप. क्लियर ऑल? सो दैट दिस इज द रीजन वी आर कलरिंग द ट्रायंगल, बिकॉज ट्रायंगल इज ऑन द राइट साइड. So like this we are going to color a triangle. Done everyone? Are you all doing it with me only? Okay, now the next question says, so color the shape to the left of the circle. So now this is the circle we have and now it is saying left side. यानी जब हमने right side पे triangle किया था तो opposite side हो गई ना उसके. राइट साइड पे ट्राइंगल था तो लेफ्ट साइड पे करना है. देन दैट मीन्स वी आर गोइंग टू कलर दिस स्क्वायर शेप, इजंट इट? सो आई एम टेकिंग अ रेड कलर पेंसिल एंड आई एम कलरिंग दिस स्क्वायर शेप नाउ. So you have understood the meaning of right and left now. We have 2 ears, right ear, left ear. We have 2 eyes, right eye, left eye. As I have told you, 2 hands, 2 legs. But we have only one nose. And the nose is in the middle. Yes, face के middle में है ना हमारी nose. So what is the meaning of middle? बीच में. Understood that? So we have colored the left side shape of circle now. Now the next says is color the shape in the middle. What is the meaning of middle? Middle means बीच में. That means we have to color our circle shape. So now we are going to color the circle shape. For this I have taken green color. So like this we are going to color our circle. Why we are coloring the circle right now? Because we have to color the shape which is in the middle. And what is the meaning of middle? I have told you. Middle means बीच में, किसी भी दो चीज के बीच में. Clear all? So understood how you are going to do your today's classwork? So class, now moving towards today's homework, you have to open page number 42. So we are going to revise our numbers from 31 to 40 here. Clear? And for this we are going to write today's date, 18th August 2020, and this is your homework. So see, understand and write 3 groups of 10 and 1 more is 31. As I told you, 3 1 31 कोई नहीं लिखेगा, isn't it? So you have to write this counting 31 to 43 times. Clear? And also what you are going to do, you are going to write this reverse counting from 40 to 31. So this is also your today's homework, 18th August 2020, and this is your homework again. Clear? Now paste 4 more stickers of pink square below the blue line as shown. So there is a line given here and there are 2 pink squares. What you have to do, you have to paste 4 more stickers. You all know number names now, so you can read this number. Paste 4 more stickers. Now from where you will get them? From the end here. Can you see these pink stickers here? You are going to peel them from here. Clear? Take them out from here and paste them here. Understood today's homework and classwork both? So class, hope you have understood the concept well. As I have told you in book, on board as well as in your notebook. So complete your work and share your work with me. Clear? In case you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. You can call me or you can message me out and let me just settle your queries. Then, so meet you soon with the next concept in the next class. Get ready for the EVS class. Okay, bye.